The restaurant, lunch, after lunch.
So today we're going on a boat ride, you know. I don't know what to expect, but I think we're gonna have fun. It was a very, very long one, man. A very, very long drive. Spent almost 2 or 3 hours on the road, and this was when we did our first stop. Tired.
Looking good. My people. My titi, my titi.
It was beautiful, man. It was really, really beautiful.
Acá en la agencia Barra do Brasil, eres el punto de encuentro a las 5:30 para volver a Río. ¿Sí? Entonces, ustedes que se quedan libres, y para todos, acá nos encontramos 5:30, embarcamos al bus y vamos a Río. ¿Ok? Vamos lá, vamos caminhando.
But yes, after he finished, was a cool guy, by the way. Cool tour guide. Tried as much as he could. Beautiful place, beautiful people.
Eu fui direto.
Here is the restaurant in the second floor. After boat, walking to the restaurant, lunch, after lunch, free time here.
Okay.
Okay? Sim, pessoal.
It was fun.
Eu tenho contacto de uma
Obrigado,
pessoa.
obrigado, obrigado.
Eu vou escrever para ustedes também outras opções de playas, quioscos, se querem quedar-se. ¿Sí? Acá o buffet está aberto hasta.
Kept on going and going and going. Oh, yeah. It was beautiful, yeah.
Familia, grupo de Romy, por los navíos y demás hay mucha gente. Y a la plancheta no se queden atrás.
And my guy was dumping fishes in the ocean. I guess we're trying to fish. But yes, we're here.
Uma instrução importante, proibido pular do segundo piso, não pode pular da parte de cima da embarcação.
Everybody was jumping into the water, and here I am.
I can't swim.
Since I couldn't swim.
Beautiful. Olha, chegou. Tá bom.
Malo Jubo, Okbara, and forgive me. But yeah. Here I am, trying to act like I'm chilling. But it was peaceful, man. It was peaceful. It was really peaceful.
How much? 20 reais.
I think I overpaid this guy, and he was trying to give me my change, or ask me if I wanted my change or something. Was this? There was a language barrier. Just
English? Sim.
really thank you. I don't know.
Graças. Yes.
E na boate já rola bomba. Toda a galera já dança bomba. Por isso pega na cintura e acaba. Acaba. Cowboy dancing, which eu saio dançando na rural.
Oh, we're done with the ride, and it's time to go feed my face. Cause at least we didn't swim, we can eat. Let us chow down. Come on.
Just want tomatoes. There's like
I think I give myself one tomato just so I could feel like I'm eating healthy. Yeah, that's a tomato right there.
stick this.
Listen, finally ate what I know how to, or what I'm used to. It's good. 3 days already. Boga. Excuse my toothpick. Oh, let me buy something for the fridge. So will cut my head. It's a walk pass. Nope. Should I just go and see? Everybody could play soccer, man. Everybody can play soccer. It's crazy. But yeah, it was time to go. I'm tired. Do last minutes look around. Then after this, let's just head back to the bus. I cannot go lost though.
Mas você vai.
As horses.
Isso é que vai ganhando mais tarde. Aproveita.
Yep. And it's time to head back to the bus. Because mans are tired. Man's tired.
Deus na vida, cara. Muito bom.
And yes, let's call it a night. Because man's are tired.